Good morning, folks. Gared here from the Kingdom Report, and today is the grand opening of Mickey Minnie's Runaway Railway. But today I am not alone like my many other adventures. Today I am joined with my best friend, Mr. Bivens, Mr. Brendan Bivens, right here.
Can you get my name
right? I
again?
cannot get your name right, my friend. But we are heading into the park. We are currently in this long line, stretching down Sunset right now.
210 minutes.
200 what?
It says 210 minutes is what that sign.
210 minutes. If you do math. That's a while. That's almost 3 hours.
That's over 3 hours.
Over 3 hours.
3.5 hours.
3.5 hours. This is why he's here, because he's the math person. But we're going to conquer. We're going to have some fun with it. But, Brendan, what kind of a ride are we going on? What kind of a ride is it?
A choo-choo.
A choo-choo. We're going
choo-choo.
Going on choo-choo.
We make it like the first time, so it won't be the last. All I want to do is everything that you ask. Don't you know I'm really getting in the mood?
Do you have a song? Do you have a dance number for it?
Yes, actually, there is one.
Oh.
Funny enough.
Well, we are in front of the marquee sign right there. Look at it, all lit up in neon. I think it's spectacular. And this is where you get corralled like kitty cats, not bovine.
Now, like mice, man.
Like mice. I apologize, like mice. We get corralled like mice. This is what you can consider a virtual queue because there's no actual lines on the ground. Here we go. All right, so Brendan and I are currently in line.
We're almost inside.
We're almost inside. We're in the Central Courtyard area.
What time did we get here? 7 o'clock this morning?
Yeah, we got here at 7.
Almost 9?
Yeah. Yeah, so
It's been a bit.
Yeah, it's been a little bit, but time's been good. The weather's been nice. Do you have any expectations going into this thing? Or?
Not at all. Choo-choo.
Choo-choo it is. Choo-choo it is. That's how we're going to say. Yeah.
Welcome to our premiere, everybody.
Thank you very much.
Of course.
Yeah. All I can say is that this attraction is using 2.5D technology, which means it's like 3D, but not completely. So things will reach out for you in a cartoon way, but I'm looking forward to it. But that marquee sign is pretty spectacular. Very, very beautiful.
Hollywood. They recreated the ones in Hollywood.
Take a ride on the train?
Yeah.
Excuse me, you lady.
Who, me?
Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Well, that sounds like a lot of paperwork, but sure, boo.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Yeah.
You guys
Like
should
the
ride with
fast
us.
pass things.
4 persons.
Hey, Joe.
Marisa! waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's conga! There's a switch!
Told you nothing was gonna go wrong. What's this lever do? Here we are, back in the bar. Remember to gather up all your personal belongings. Take your small children by the hand and watch your step as you exit the train. Come back and see me again real soon, okay? So long!
No, I couldn't tell at all.
All right, folks, Brendan and I just got off of Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, and it's now time for the Kingdom Report Card. If you don't know what that is, this is where we grade the attraction based on our experience. First, I want to talk about what I liked about it. I thought the projection mapping was really cool.
I agree.
And that it had a fun, whimsical tone to it, and a lot of different scenes in it that really made it stand out as something. What did you like about it?
I mean, it really felt like you were in the cartoon. Like, that was kind of like the cool part for me, was that, like, you're in there and, like, just everything was, like you said, whimsical. Like, it was done in, like, a cartoony kind of style. And so they had really good, like, projection work on it, like you said, to make it work. The thing I didn't like about the projection work, though, was Mickey and Minnie's, like, 3D faces. They came across as, like, really weird.
Yeah, the audio animatronics, at the end, they look a lot better, but in the first part, like, where you see part of it, their head turned, it sort of struck me as odd. And then one thing that stunk was that we were in the last car, and so we didn't get as much interaction with Goofy, and we also did not get to, like, some of the scenes, we didn't get to see the full scenes. Like, there was a volcano scene that we went into before we went under the water. We didn't see any of that.
No,
really.
it got cut off, like, because we were in the last car.
Yeah, but other than that, it's fun, it's cute. What is it, the best ride ever? No, not close to that, but I'll let you give your report card first.
My report card?
Yeah. What would you give it?
All right, like, was like F through A?
Like A plus being the most amazing.
I think it's probably a B ride.
A B?
I think if you can get in the front car, it's a B plus.
Okay, I concur with that. So he and I, we're best friends, but we rarely agree on the same thing all the time. So yeah, I'd say B ride if you're in the front row, B plus, because then you get that interaction with Goofy and you actually get to see more rather than hearing it. So overall, great. I think it's a fun ride. Good job, Imagineering. They really did cool with the new tech and everything. But this has been Gared and Brendan with the Kingdom Report. Like, comment, subscribe. Check out our channel and all that stuff. We'll see you later. We're gonna go now get breakfast because
I'm hungry.
We're hungry. So see you, folks. Bye.
To all who come to this happy place, welcome.